Okay, so here we go, lesson 7, year 9 construction on doing your timber stool. Today we're going to look at making or using an object to cut using a feature to cut another body basically. So what we're going to do here now is we're going to turn off all of our bodies except for body 1, and we're going to complete a sketch on this top surface here. So we're just going to go create sketch, and we're going to draw a sketch on this top surface, and we're essentially going to draw a rectangle. So I can select the rectangle tool up here, and I'm basically going to draw a rectangle that is 50 by 15. Enter. And you can see now that instantly locks in these two sides here, but these blue lines on this rectangle are not constrained. So we're just going to dimension this point to this point, and we're going to make that 30 millimeters. Okay, now that we've done that one, we're going to do the same down here. So R for rectangle, we're just going to draw a rectangle on this surface that is 15, tab 50, enter, and we're going to dimension this point to this point at 30, enter. Okay, what we want to do now is extrude, and we're going to extrude this one, and we're going to bring that up, making sure that it's joined, and we're going to make that half the thickness of our material. So in this case, 7.5 millimeters. Enter. So you can see now we've got two little tabs extruded from our first body. If I turn on my second body now, what I need to do is the same thing again. So you're just going to follow that same process and put that on the second body.